Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Now the next chapter is probability. We use some words that is probable, maybe, impossible, nearly, 50-50 or sure to express the possibility in our daily conversation. Now some statements regarding possibilities for the future. Now the first example is most probably the rain will start from today. It is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. I will surely get first class. There is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in time. Now the first one is random experiment. Define it. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with certainty and there is equal possibility for each result is known as a random experiment. Means experiment in which the result is not sure. Such experiments are performed randomly. So these are known as random experiment. For example, tossing a coin, throwing a die, picking a card from a pack of well shuffled playing cards, etc. Now the next one is outcome. Result of a random experiment is known as an outcome. For example, in a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are only two outcomes, head, H, or tail means 3. Now look at here. It is a coin. If we toss either tail or either head. There are only two outcomes, head or tail. Now the next one. In a random experiment of throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes according to the number of dots on the 6 faces of the die. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Now, it is a die. Look at, there are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now look at carefully. Number of dots on the 6 faces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Throwing a die, we get here 6. Next 2. Next 3 and so on. A card is drawn randomly from a pack of well shuffled playing cards. There are 52 cards in a pack. Now look here. It is a pack of 52 cards. 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Now look at here. Counting red cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Now 26 red cards. Now these cards are black. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 26. Now in 26 red cards, 13 heart cards. Now look at here. It is a symbol of heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the symbol is changed here. Now the next one is 13 diamond cards. Now it is symbol of diamond cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now from 26 black cards, 13 club cards indicate by this symbol. Now it is club cards, counting it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now the symbol is changed here. Next one is spade cards. Look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and next one is 13. Now total 52 cards, out of which 26 red cards and 26 black cards. Now in red cards there are 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards, whereas in 26 black cards 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. Now in a pack of playing cards there are 4 sets, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In each set there are 13 cards. Now look at here, if we take one of the set here, there are 13 cards as king, queen, jack. Now king, queen and it is jack. King, next one is queen and it is jack. Next 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and ekka. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 8. Ekka. Next, king, queen and jack are known as face cards. These cards are known as face cards. King, queen and it is jack. In each pack of cards there are 4 cards of king, 4 cards of queen and 4 cards of jack. Thus total face cards are 12. Now look at practice set 5.1. Now the first question is, how many possibilities are there in each of the following? Now the first one is, Vanitha knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation: Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Mathiran, Anandwan. Now here number of sites are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Therefore write down the solution. Vanitha can visit any of the 8 places in Maharashtra. So she has 8 possibilities. Now next one is, any day of a week is to be selected randomly. Now we know that there are 7 days in a week. Write down here. There are 7 days in a week. Therefore, there are 7 possibilities of selecting any one day randomly. Now the next one is select one card from the pack of 52 cards. Now there are 52 cards, therefore there are 52 possibilities of selecting one card. Write down here. There are 52 cards. Therefore there are 52 possibilities of selecting one card randomly. Now next one is one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. Now numbers are from 10 to 20 means total number is 11. Therefore there are 11 numbers. Write down here. There are 11 numbers from 10 to 20. Is written on the cards. Therefore there are 11 possibilities of selecting one card randomly. Allah Hafiz.